For the ultimate in luxury relaxation, treat yourself to the Dr. Physio Foot Spa Massager with manual rollers, the ideal way to pamper those tired, aching feet. For men and women who work tirelessly on their feet, the complete resort experience is just a button away with the multifunction Dr. Physio Foot Spa. Integrating all the best features of acupressure, shiatsu, heat, and hydrotherapy, our all-in-one bath delivers massaging, bubbling bliss to your achy soles and toes. Equipped with smooth glide manual massage rollers and multiple acupuncture points, the Dr. Physio Massage Spa stimulates the soles of the feet from the front to the back, promoting blood circulation and relieving physical and mental fatigue through deep massage. To get started, simply place on a hard flat surface using the easy maneuver handle. Fill the main tank with water and turn the power on. The device will automatically start heating and circulating the water. Choose your preferred heat settings from the temperature menu. The temperature ranges from 35 to 48 degrees Celsius, and the heating function will turn off once the spa has reached your chosen setting. Jets at the bottom of the bath produce a relaxing bubble effect and will impact the acupuncture points at the base of the foot for improved tension relief. The fully enclosed cover keeps heat in for added warmth and efficiency and prevents excess splashing, while the non-slip feet ensure you're firmly rooted to the floor for safe and comfortable relaxation. If you prefer a simple soak and massage, press the bubble and heating button to deactivate the jacuzzi and heat settings. When you're done, simply turn the power off, unplug, and pour out any remaining water. Relax in luxury from the comfort of your own home with the Dr. Physio Foot Spa Massager.